Peter Carney from My Food Garden. Biodynamic gardening and farming started 100 years ago in Europe, and it's now spread around the world. I'm in southeast Queensland, Australia, and have been working with biodynamic methods for 30 years in my gardens, small-scale farms, and with my students and consulting clients. And what I've noticed in working with biodynamics and studying it for all that time is how potent it is at lifting the life in the soil and the vibrancy of the plants. It needs to be worked with on an organic platform where you move away from the chemicals of chemical agriculture and consider the organic process as one that is healthy but needing to be potentized to make the plants as strong as they can possibly be to go through their cycle, to produce great tasting, nutritious food and vibrant seeds. And as well as that, in the growing process, to be so strong that diseases and destructive insects really leave them alone. What a bonus that is for growers. So, biodynamic methods incorporates a number of aspects, but the key ones that I've focused on over the years are working with the biodynamic preparations, which are substances that are made from minerals and plant matter and manure, prepared in a way where, when applied to the soil and the plants, they activate and balance the life process. So they can be used in a rhythm over the year and really worked with on any scale of growing activity, from a balcony garden to a large-scale farm. Very scalable. So these preparations can also be used for remedial purposes when, say, weather is very changeable and the plants get too much heat, too much moisture, too much humidity, that different preparations can be used to enhance the strength of the plants. So the next aspect is working with planetary rhythms. So it's recognizing this broader system that affects the nature and quality of all life on Earth. And when we time our things such as planting seeds or harvesting or making compost or doing green manure or applying soil preparations, once we time those with planetary movements, they all work better. Imagine that, this whole resource enhancing your capacity to grow, and it costs nothing to use it, just some knowledge. And the third aspect is really you as the gardener or farmer is raising your consciousness about the whole activity of life and the balancing of life, the biodiversity, the beauty in the space, really lifting the whole feeling of you in the space and your quality of how you interact with the plants, which has a profound effect on how things grow, how the animals that could come into the garden can keep out of the garden or the farm. Many other aspects to biodynamic methods, and we do work with those in our coaching sessions. And I'm also a director of Biodynamic Agriculture Australia, so there's a lot of information on their website. So please investigate biodynamics. It's a wonderful way to enhance your growing. Thank you.